Blue Alligator's tips and tricks. Today I will be showing you how to set up sales tax on Sales Presenter. Let's get straight into it. To start, you will need to create two files. One for your sales tax group and one for your sales tax matrix. Let's open our sales tax group file. Start off by naming your field headings. Here you can see we have group code, description, and display sequence. Input the number you want your group code to be, for instance 1, and add the description such as 0 rated or standard rate. It's your choice. You can even pick the display sequence by just numbering it. Let's move on to the sales tax matrix file. Start off again by naming the headers. Here you can see we have sales tax group, sales tax code, sales tax description, and sales tax rate. The sales tax group is the file we just created. It is there to link with what group your sales tax is in and apply to the correct customer within your customer account file, like so. Your sales tax is within your products file. This is to specifically set a tax rate to an individual product. See, we have a sales tax group of Z, which means 0 rated. For example purposes, we apply it to stainless steel cutlery set product. This will then make the product be assigned a 0 rated tax code. You can optionally describe what your tax is, such as 0. This will then show on your order acknowledgement. Then set a rate to the code, such as 0%, or a standard rate of 20%. This will then be applied to your order line value for this group and code combination. You should now have your two CSV files. Make sure your files are mapped correctly by naming your CSV file to the same name you provide here, such as sales tax groups .csv and sales tax matrix .csv. Next is to upload to the cloud, like so. Next you will need to go into field mappings. You need to make sure that the field mapped from is the same as the description. To authorize your sales tax onto Sales Presenter, you need to configure a few cloud settings. This will be under Configuration and Order Acknowledgements. Scroll down until you find Printer column showing the sales tax code. Authorize this as well as Show Sales Tax Table. Click Enable on both settings and update your cloud account. The last setting to configure will be in order type. Simply enable Show Sales Tax on Orders and update. Once this is completed, perform a download. This should then appear in your next order placed. As you can see here, we are ordering products. We can then see on the PDF a table showing our sales tax codes and what group the code is in with what percentage of sales tax. This is then applied to the product that's relevant to each individual code. I hope you now understand how to set up sales tax on Sales Presenter. If you need more hints and tips, let us know in the comments. Blue Alligator, a vision to sell.